Hey, so this is a pine pumpkin truck that we had base coated white. I like the pine version because we're going to do some sanding on it and we want the wood grain to stand out. So I started out by painting the bumpers and the hubcaps with this watered down gray color, and I'm getting all the creases with the gray. It's really watered down so that I can like smear it around with my finger and give it that shadowy look because I want to leave the truck white. So now I'm going to go underneath here, anywhere that there would be a shadow on the truck, just filling it in with this gray, because I mean a white truck truly isn't white. There's going to be highlights and lowlights all over it. So all around the windows, in between the glass, anywhere that you would see a shadow on the truck, I'm using this watered down gray and just kind of rubbing it into the white with my fingers. So after you've done that, you can go on and paint your headlights and your pumpkins. I use 3 different colors on the pumpkins just to give it, you know, a little bit of fun look, like you've been to the pumpkin patch. You do your tires with a caviar. I think I did my handle with the caviar too. So now once you've done that shading technique all over it, you can leave the truck white and you can go on and paint all the other little elements any way that you want to. So now that all the pieces are painted on there, I'm going back with a piece of sandpaper and I'm just sanding around the truck. You can do as little or as much as you want to on this part. I don't like it to be super sanded. I like to hit all the areas a little bit above the wheels, like on the bed of the truck, on the door of the truck, and on the top of the truck, and then on the pumpkins. So once you've done that, I'm going to come in with a 1-inch foam brush and I'm painting a stain on top of the white truck. This is Early American stain from Sherwin-Williams. We really like this stain here. It's a good color. And now that I've painted it all over the white truck, I'm going to go back and wipe it off. And it didn't have to sit on for very long at all. It'll get in all those little grooves everywhere that you sanded and really give it a distressed look, like an antique look. This is such a fun way to do these pine shapes. It really adds to the way they look. They're a big seller like this too, and we have them for every holiday. I did a Christmas truck, I've done an Easter truck, so it's just a fun little porch truck or entryway truck for your house if you're looking for a good project that you can do on pine with the sanding and the staining, and it's super cute.